5 for 5 reasons why I do this. Number 5. I'm in my bed. I can work my business from my bed. It's convenient. It's easy. And who else wouldn't want to do this kind of thing from pajama wearing, bed hanging out in opportunity, right? Come on. Alright, so there's 5 nights. I'm going to go live 5 nights. Each night, I'm going to give you a reason why I do what I do. And the first night is, I can do it from anywhere. This is my bed. This is where I'm doing it. Right here. I just got my kids down. I'm pooped. I'm tired. Don't tell. I'm not washing my face before I go to bed. Don't tell. But anyway, first night. Where can I do this job? Right here. Okay. I'm going to have... I don't know what it's going to be. You got to be a part of my VIP. So if you're not part of my VIP, it's Uniquely Sarah. Go over there and ask to join. And I will add you to my VIP group. That's incredibly important, you guys. I put all kinds of stuff over there and it doesn't hurt, right? Okay, so I'm going 9 nights. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll have number 2, reason number 2, why I sell Younique, why it's important, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so tonight would be, what's the first one? Location, location, location. I can do it from anywhere, okay? So at the end of the week, or end of the 5 days, if you can tell me the 5 words, I'm going to be saying one specific word per night. There might be something in it for you at the end of the 5 days if you can get all 5 words correct, okay? So tonight's word would be location. Okay. Stay tuned. Have a great night. I'll talk to you tomorrow.